Good day, everyone, and welcome to Wednesday live trading session. So today we have another trading session, and honestly, I need to tell you that I really enjoy this, and I really enjoy this market volatility. So I hope that there will be some market orders before FOMC today. Now, if you followed our session recap, you could have seen that euro dollar was a little bit wiggly. Basically, euro dollar went in a small profit. Honestly, I closed my trade today for only 10 pips because when I woke up, I saw that euro dollar went upside. I put my profit stop and it was a good decision. But well, let me tell you that pound yen was excellent. Dollar yen was excellent. Even Australian dollar came into profit. So from Monday, we actually saw some nice pips, and I hope that this will continue throughout this week. But as I say, today is a little bit risky, so we need to be careful. Market is not moving very, very fast. But, well, if you can see how market is moving, you know that it's a little bit rangy because a lot of fundamental events happened and will happen this week. For example, today we had ECB and, well, a member of ECB actually dropped the euro-dollar currency rate. You can read about it on also on forexlive.com. So it's a little bit, as I say, wiggly. It goes up and down, but yet again, yen currencies are moving exactly as we planned. So that is also very, very good. Before we start, few comments. Hi, Kyle, Ahmed, and Robert Angel. Angel is asking, hello, Nena, did you miss me? How are you? I'm happy to hear you again. I'm very happy to see you here also, Angel. And gold is also perfect. Angel is saying, yes, indeed, gold was also good. And if you actually listen to what I had to say about gold, you could have also made some nice money, and I'm sure that you did. Okay, so before we begin, okay, be patient. This is my advice to you. Be patient because patience is the key to trading success, and you always need to wait for a proper setup and let it come to you. Don't be impatient. Risk disclosure statement stating all possible risks associated with Forex market. By accepting the risk disclaimer, you're also proceeding further with me, and have in mind that CFD and Forex trading are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits. So those are not suitable for everyone. This video is not part of the .co.uk website, but the globalnews.com website. So what are we going to do here? A fast recap. We are trading always with a POC zone, master candle setup, wall waves, and price action. Have in mind that this is my personal opinion and trades. Okay, so it does not need to agree on other people's and other people and traders' analysis and thoughts. So definitely, this is my personal opinion. This is how I trade, how I see the market. So I might be not right, but that is the way to go, right? You need to trust your own guns. Positional or breakout trading is also possible with our setups that we trade here. Once you are in a trade, you need to do your own management. The recommended risk is 0.5 to 1% per trade, but don't exceed 2%. You want to trade like professionals do. Losing is part of the business, so keep your risk under control. Session recaps are from Monday to Wednesday, and pending orders and possible market orders we do on live trading session from Wednesday to Friday. Okay? Friday is day to take profits. Use profit stops and follow me on Torrential FX, and okay, read my Twitter updates, and of course read my Facebook post. But first of all, we need to go with Twitter because it's the fastest way to communicate with you all. Okay, guys, this is it. Trading opportunity. Euro dollar, we will probably do a either buy or sell limit, but I think that we might do some buy limit order. I will try to buy the dip in euro dollar again, but I hope that it will actually it will maybe drop to our POC zone. I will show you, but the only thing that I'm concerned is that FOMC is today. So you know, we might try to trade this one because I still think that euro dollar might go up, although it went up from 1320 to 1370, right? It was a good data for euro today. So I still think that it might actually, well, it might actually favor alongside maybe here. David is asking, I'm still in euro dollar. How do you know when to get out? David, I usually follow what market does. So what happened today? I will show you the chart right away. Just give me a few seconds. Okay, here. So what actually happened with euro dollar today was that euro dollar went towards our POC zone here, okay, and then it started to go up. The problem here was that generally now market is looking a little bit, as I say, wiggly, and that happens simply because we have a FOMC today. You cannot see my screen. Wait. I have a triple monitor set up at this point. I'm really watching everything, what happens in the market, and sometimes it's very hard to juggle between multiple monitors. Now you should see my screen. So this is euro dollar. You see, the point is that we had a buy from our POC zone that happened here. And this buy setup actually happened, well, a little bit early in the morning or later during the night. But also we had triple rejection. So you could have traded this, well, I can say mini rejection here. But yet again, this was a good one because as you can see, it produced some pips at least to the upside before this drop to the downside. So what can I tell you? This is a little bit up and down movement, but yet again, I think that it's possible to trade again from the lower border of POC zone. Why POC zone? Simply because if we put this retracement tool, wait, I still need to put an indicator here. I'm not sure why it doesn't show up. Wait, just give me a few seconds. I will put it immediately. Okay, my Camarilla, I don't know why it doesn't show up at this point. Yeah, it's because I'm trying to switch between multiple monitors, platforms, whatever. So yeah, this should be it now. Okay, I think that we are having everything we need here. Yes. So you can see here, guys, the price is very close to 88.6. You see 88.6. It's, for me, it's the most important Fibonacci retracement. Well, why? It's because I don't. Now I really don't have the time to explain again, but I will tell you quickly. Uh, it has also to do with square root of 61.8. It has to do with how things behave in our universe. Also, if you watch historical versus now moment perspective, guys, this is almost no-brainer trade, at least for scalp. You see, if we put Fibonacci from this point to this point, you see where it rejected last time, straight from 88.6, right? So, I mean, it happened 2 hours ago, but this is the POC zone. This is the POC zone. If it gets there again, I might do, even now I'm thinking about making some small long trade so I can add up a little bit later. But as I say, it's a little bit hard for me to decide. I still want to see it a little bit lower in the zone, and then I will pull the trigger slightly below the zone, and I will pull the trigger. Right? Uh, mm, mm, mm. Wait. A lot of questions. Uh, I need to answer. Give me a few seconds. I might do a small trade if it goes 5 pips to the downside. I will open an order and I will add if it gets deeper in the zone. I will do that, but I still need to see whether the price will move or not. Okay, we still need to wait. Okay. Okay, just give me a few seconds. I need to answer a lot of questions here. Okay, so it's very important that you understand that pound yen is still in up move. So what I would do, what I will probably do, if it drops on FOMC, I will buy it. Okay, so I will probably buy it, and one more setup, I will probably sell market order during this webinar if we get close to 29.90 on dollar CAD. Okay, so yes, I will also do that, but for me it's important also that you see this one, this possible trade here. Pound yen, this is the POC zone for pound yen. 46, as I told you on session recap, because this high has not been taken out. This is still the POC zone. So if we see a drop here around 146, I will buy it again. If this high is broken, then I need to do another analysis, but I think that it will be broken. Pound yen is a buy opportunity. Okay, I told you to go long at 146.30 if you remember session recap, and now you could have made 30-40 pips on double rejection here. Now it's still going up, and I think if it breaks this daily H4, it will proceed to daily H5. It's above weekly L3 pivot. It means that the trend is to the upside. You can also add a trend line, and you will see Camarilla is traded when the price is above L3, weekly L3. It means it's an uptrend. If the price is below, if it's also above daily L3, it means that it's strong trend. And at this point, the price is above weekly and daily L3. Okay, and daily H4 has almost been hit. So let's see if it drops. I'm thinking to buy even during FOMC. Okay, that is what I'm also thinking about. I would sell. David is asking, would I sell dollar CAD? Yes, but not now, David. I want to see either confirmation of a possible drop if it happens in next, let's say 30 minutes, or if it gets to 29.90, I will go with market order, because then the price will be over bought, and I will simply put the market order. But now at this point, I'm still thinking about possible saying, no, I will not buy. I will not buy dollar CAD. I will sell dollar CAD. I will sell dollar CAD. Really, I'm not buying that now. So I'm still thinking about it. Oh yeah, maybe my slide is showing, my slide is having a typo. Let me see. Okay, yes, this is typo. I will thank you for noticing. I will definitely correct it. Yeah, it's obviously a typo, and I will correct it right now. It's a sell trade, not buy trade. Sell. Okay, so I'm selling if it happens, and it might happen soon. So yes, I will sell it. This is corrected slide. So thank you for noticing. If you notice some typos, feel free to tell me, because you know, guys, it can happen. No, it's normal, because it's a little bit, you know, it's I have a lot of things to manage. So also dollar CAD looks like we might go in a sell trade also soon. It's rejecting. This could also be a POC zone. Uh, Look at this. It's above, so it's overbought. So I will sell. Okay, I will sell here a small trade on dollar CAD. I'm selling dollar CAD now. Okay, I sold dollar CAD now, and if it gets to 29.90, I will sell it again. I will keep my stop loss intact. Now I will immediately show you. Okay, give me a few seconds just to actually put a stop loss here. Okay. This is really, now I'm watching triple monitors here. So dollar CAD 29.65 first entry. Stop loss is, okay, stop loss is 1 point, as I said on the slide, 30.25. But let me explain. I will add more. Guys, I will add more, okay? It's important to know this is just a small order. Small order. I will go with scaling in if the price gets deeper in the zone. Okay? If the price gets deeper in the zone, I will add a little bit more. So that is what I will do. Now you should see my order here. So sell initiated at 1.2965. Sell on dollar CAD. I will add more at 29.90. I will keep my stop loss intact at 1.3025. Target for this move is 29.05. Reasons for this trade. We have trend line, a descending trend line. Here you can see a descending trend line. We also have another trend line here that is telling me that trend is still intact. Here we have another trend line. It's an X cross here. CCI is overbought. In downtrend, we are selling when price is overbought. Last swing of last Fibonacci retracement, or Fibonacci retracement of the last swing, rejecting straight from the 61.8 golden ratio. So reasons for mark trade are, as you can see, pretty much straightforward. But because this is still, it's not very deep retracement, considering that 86 is ATR. It is a retracement, but it could use maybe a little bit of more of retracement. And this is where I will add. Okay, so that is where I will add. Okay, in a trade, and that will be my order at 29.90, around 29.90. Okay, Now I'm a sell, so we have a market order, sell market order. Okay, I will do this also on other account. So I'm trying to manage with different accounts, bigger accounts, smaller accounts. It's still good to do it because when you do that, you're actively trading all of your accounts. Okay, another sell initiated, guys. Another sell initiated. Okay, so you see another sell initiated here. I'm showing you here. Okay, another chart that I use. Okay, and it goes perfectly with my confluence. Okay, even if I put my analysis template, it's very, very similar to this live trading template. Very, very similar. Okay, you will see it here. Let me show you 1 hour. Mostly it's either MACD or CCI. Okay, but the logic is the same. The logic is the same. We are selling when price is overbought in downtrend. So here you see another smaller trade. So I'm telling you why I'm telling you this, because you can also trade different accounts, and it simply all boils down to risk you're willing to take. When you have a bigger account, then you can do more like I do, scaling in. But if you have a, let's say, lower account, then you're usually restricted to one trade or two trades. So it's important for you to know that it's great to have different accounts. Okay, and this is now what I will do here is this account allows me to enter another cell also with 0.20 if it gets to 29.90, while this other account does not allow me because it's a smaller one, and if I use 2 or 3% per risk, then you need to be very, very conservative with risk. Of course, everything is easier if you know what your maximum risk is. If you're gamblers, then you will probably not listen to my advices. But if you are professional traders, or if you want to be professional trader, then definitely you need to listen to what I have to say regarding the risk. Okay, because risk is the holy grail. Proper money management is the holy grail in forex trading. Remember that what I'm saying. Okay, don't think that you can always win by simply putting whatever lot size you want to take. You need to think about risk. Banks also, big bank traders also hedge their positions, or at least if you are not able to hedge, try to do what I do. Try with low risk and then add a little bit more of position, keeping the risk intact. That is what I will do here if it hits daily H4. If not, I'm still in a trade, so I'm not greedy. If it doesn't happen, well, we are still in a trade, right? Okay, another opportunity. So this is what we have here. We sold dollar CAD at 29.65, and I will add at 29. I sold it at 29.65, and I will add at 29.90, keeping my stop loss intact. This is stop loss. This is TP. Of course, if I see that I'm in a profit before FOMC, I might opt to close my trade before FOMC. That is also important for you to know. Very important. Euro dollar now, you see it's going up a little bit. I'm thinking maybe to open a smaller trade now, but we should have made it here, but it happened before our live webinar. But I missed it too because this was the POC zone, great POC zone, 1310, 1320. We could enter now because it's still within the POC zone concept, but as I say, it's we can do this. We can do this. Open a long trade here, keeping stop loss and adding a little bit more. I will open a smaller trade here. Okay. Okay. So now buy market order has been initiated on euro dollar 13.23 and 23.24. I will add at 13.20, but I will not move my stop loss. That is 12.80. Okay, 12.80. I will not close before FOMC if I'm not in profit, Mark, simply because you know why? Because I have my risk. This is small risk, very small risk. I will just add a little bit more if it gets there, you know, but now at this point, I can take this risk. So stop loss for euro dollar trade is 12.80. Okay, it's 12.80 stop loss. If I'm in profit before FOMC, as I'm saying, I will close my trade. So don't ask me later, what did I do, whatever. I'm telling you now. I will not take that risk to risk my profits. Whatever the profit will be, I will close it. But if I'm in loss, I can keep it because, you know, sometimes we need to take the risk. It's a risky day, of course. So, right, you cannot simply win everything, and you cannot simply say, okay, I will do whatever market will allow me, because if you're in profit, protect your profits, right? Maximum profit that I see before FOMC could be 1350, probably here, 1350 to 1360 before FOMC. So what can happen, guys? I mean, you know, hypothetically speaking, what can happen is that euro dollar simply wiggles around POC zone, and when FOMC comes, it spikes, wham, to the upside. It might happen. Or it might go before FOMC here. Then I will probably close my trade, or I will put a profit stop, right? Because as I say, I still see potential upside on euro dollar. Although it's being rejected, but you need to understand this is a strong trend. So still it's 88.6 supported here. The zone supports it. Now moment buyers appear here where historical buyers were also. So, you know, we have an alignment of historical versus now moment buyers. Entry point, Godwin, for euro dollar is 13.23.24. Dollar CAD entry point is 29.65. You see? Yes, Ahmed. If it breaks 13.73, that is double top, it will go up. I agree with you. And I think that if it happens, the price will probably go within the master candle range. So we still need to wait for this. Okay? Pound yen trade is also possible, as I said, if it drops here within this triple, quadruple bottom somehow, then I will buy it. If it breaks daily H4, I think it will touch daily H5. So if you're still in a trade that I gave you on session recap, you can hold. I think that this is a good opportunity to hold on to your trade, because we have a pound yen nice setup. Ilya is saying hello. Hello, Ilya. Yes, I will repeat, but I need to tell you that I made 2 market orders for people who came now. Pound yen trade, possible setup for 146, but if you are holding your trade, from my Monday recap, you are still good to go, because I think that you could be nice profits, although it's rejecting here, but still pound yen is bullish. As I say, everything that I do today and what I did, if I'm in profit before FOMC, I will close my trade. The trade that I made with market order is dollar CAD 29.65 is sold. Stop loss is 30.25, and I will probably, I'm not probably, but I will add at 29.90 another trade if it spikes. Also made euro dollar long at 13.23 point something, 13.23.24. A long trade I will add at 13.5, 13.10. My stop loss is 12.80. At least what I expect is move towards 13.50, 13.60 before FOMC. Then we will see. The question about New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, I closed my trade. I mean, I didn't close my trade manually, but I put my profit stop because my order was 13.35. And today, when I saw that the price went to 0.480, I actually put my trailing stop for plus 30 pips. So my Australian dollar New Zealand was closed for 30 pips. That is a setup that I gave you today, although I still think that this could reject to the upside. Okay? I still think that this might reject to the upside. So that is why I said, okay, I will protect my trade, but I think that it could still reject to the upside, another rejection. But I told you yesterday that Australian dollar New Zealand should go up, and I put an analysis on Admiral Markets website. So you should actually made pips on that, right? Gold. Okay, let's move to gold now. Gold is XAU USD. This is gold. Gold is okay. When can gold turn and go up? Well, it could start to turn up now. Okay, possibly if this holds, because this is very strong. This is strong support. You see, we have ATR projection low. We have daily L5. Okay. We also have weekly L5 below. Now, the only thing, if it gets below, it's also oversold. But if it gets below, then you need to wait for a reversal candle to show up, because definitely we don't have any weekly, monthly, weekly levels. Next monthly level is way below. So you see, this is it. Final rejection point. If it wants to reject at all, it could happen here. If it wants to reject at all, okay? So this could be a possible rejection on gold, okay, here. See, could be a possible rejection. Ahmed is asking, what do I think about Friday non-farm, Friday NFP? Okay, Friday NFP. Let's check it, okay? Friday NFP. Okay, we definitely need to wait. We definitely need to wait for Friday NFP, because tomorrow we will have ADP non-farm employment change. Only then, when I see the ADP numbers, I can tell you what might happen with NFP. At this point, I really don't know, because market predicts 175K forecast, okay? So we need to wait and see if how ADP numbers will come out. If ADP is better than expected, then I think that NFP will be good too. But don't pay attention just to NFP. You need to watch for average hourly earnings and unemployment rate too. Okay? Akbar is asking, why is market too slow? Because market is waiting for this FOMC meeting minutes. Okay? This is it. FOMC meeting minutes. So this is it. Now I will also take a look at Australian dollar CAD. Yes, okay, euro dollar is 3-4 pips in profit. Dollar CAD is at break even. Okay, so we are still in some profits here. Not bad, right? So let's wait. Yes, if ADP is good, we might expect that NFP is good too. That is how it goes. Australian dollar CAD. Wow, this is a bit down. This is downtrend, definitely downtrend. Okay. Okay, this is possible sell. A very strong, probably pre-OC zone, but you need to be patient for this. This is where market could sell. A retest of daily L5 ATR top. This is round number. I think this could be a sell, no-brainer sell. Possibly no-brainer sell, but also treat it as maybe a scalp swing for the first rejection. But I think first rejection could be profitable. You see, rounded number 50, daily L5, ATR top, wow, and below weekly L3, that signifies for downtrend. So this is it. This could be a nice sell opportunity on dollar CAD. Really, nice sell opportunity on dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD now again around break even, 1-2 pips up down. Euro dollar market order 3 pips to the upside. So we are waiting for something to happen here. Okay, thoughts on GBP ODI? A question. Thoughts on GBP ODI? This is GBP ODI. Well, what can I say? A bit of uptrend here. Of course, GBP is strong now. We have a trend line here. We also have V-shaped reversal. The market is it's above daily L3 and above weekly L3, so it's bullish. So if we see a candle close, 1 hour candle close above H3, I think the market will proceed to the upside. Also, this is buying the dip. This is possible POC zone. We also have an order block here. So yes, this is POC zone, daily L3. What do you think about Australian dollar? Australian dollar. Well, Australian dollar, not that much. You see, it could reject. It could reject because it's already made its ATR. It's also the bottom of ATR projection. This is definitely. Wait, let me just check something. Yes, market is below weekly L3, so but above daily L3. So this means this is a downtrend, okay? But it could be a rejection because market is at daily L3. Although this here, what you see, what I'm showing you, could be a form of head and shoulders. This is expanded head and shoulders pattern. You see, this is left. This is big head. This is right shoulder. Expanded head and shoulder is something that I've been taking a look last couple of months. Not couple of months, but I actually spotted it years and years ago. But I'm actively taking a look at it. You won't be seeing the term expanded head and shoulders anywhere on the internet, I think, because that is something that I came up with personally. So it's my term to use this pattern here. So if I will mark the pattern now, guys, so please watch. When you see something like this, okay, this is expanded head and shoulders. Okay, what are the characteristics of expanded head and shoulders? First, you have right shoulder. That can be double shoulder. Then you have big head, big head. But this is left shoulder. Big head, and the right shoulder is very similar to the left shoulder. So you see this peak is similar to these two peaks, but the head is enormous. So this is like expanded head and shoulders. And because of that, you see market actually was sold from 76.30 exactly at this spot because of this expanded head and shoulders that formed here. So another rejection could happen here. This is rangy. So it could reject now, going here and reject again. It already made its ATR, so I don't expect that it could drop much to the downside. Yes, also Australian dollar, New Zealand is in POC zone, but I already closed, Ahmed. I already closed. My trade was stopped for 30 pips in profit. I made an order at POC zone, and when I saw that the price went at 0.480, I moved my stop loss to plus 30. So I'm not trading this now. It's very slow. I already traded it, and I still have trades running. Euro dollar is now 2 pips in profit. Dollar CAD is now 4 pips in loss. So it's like break even at this point. But as you know, I will add to dollar CAD if it gets. If it gets here, I will open another sell, 30.25, low risk trade. Low risk trade. Only this whole trade is very, very small. It will be like 2.5%, very small trade. So very low risk. And also I have a euro dollar long. So let's see. This technique is called scaling in. So if we get another entry here and it starts to reject, we will have two entries with nice profits. But if it doesn't reject, if it actually starts to go up, we will not lose much because this entry is made higher than this one. So it's called scaling in. Okay, scaling in. It's a good technique, and I use it often. I need to tell you that I use it often. Very, very good technique. Okay. Okay. So that is what we are doing at this point. Okay. Let's see euro dollar also. If it gets a little bit down, okay, I will buy it again. 12.80 is final stop loss. We don't know what will happen with gold on FOMC, simply because gold at this point now is very close to rejection. So it might reject. Okay, it might reject. Okay, and finally, guys, this was it. Market order dollar CAD was made at 29.65. I have pending sell at 29.90, but my stop loss will be 30.25. Final TP 29.05. If I am profitable before FOMC, I will protect my trade in profits. If not, then I need to see what will happen finally on FOMC. Also, euro dollar possible buy setup here. Okay, not buy, sorry. Yes, we already have buy, but also 13.05 could be a buy order, and this is the slide also. We cannot sell it now, so I will try to buy here again, but my stop loss will be intact. You need to know my stop loss is intact. That is very important because you calculate your risk and your stop loss before you make any trades. You cannot do it afterwards. It's not good. Okay, so that's it. Okay, guys, so that is everything for this day. Let's see if our market orders will be in profit or we will add maybe a little bit more. Have in mind that your overall risk should not go above 5% per day for all trades you make. That is very, very important, guys. Okay, so that was it. That was everything that I had to show you now. Okay, I hope that we will have profits. Price is not moving that much, as I say, simply because of FOMC, but we are waiting for the price to move. So let's wait. Be patient. Patience is always very, very, very important. Double top on gold. The final comment. Let's see gold. I'm not looking at 15-minute time frame now, really, because on gold, you see this is the zone for possible reversal. Price is oversold. It's daily L5, already made its ATR, and it still has the room where historical buyers are. So it's too low now to sell it, right? Okay, that was it. Let's see if we are in profits. As I say, be patient, wait the market to come to you. Don't be impatient because that will get you nowhere. Impatient and being impatient is not good for anything. Thank you for listening to me. I wish you a great, great trading day, and let's see what market will give us. Cheers, everyone. As I say, always trade safe. Talk to you soon.